Good morning, students. So, last period we have discussed CET and JEE main and advanced questions. CET around 30 problems are discussed previous years. Even JEE also I explained. And JEE is already some few problems I discussed. Now we will continue today also. Right, problem number 1. F of x is equal to x plus 1 whole square. X greater than or equal to minus 1. If g of x is a function whose graph is the reflection of the graph, g of x is the reflection of f of x to the line y equal to x. I think it is indirectly, it is inverse only. Let f of x is equal to y, x plus 1 whole square equal to y, x plus 1 equal to root y, x is equal to root y minus 1. What is x? F inverse of y equal to root y minus 1, or f inverse of x is equal to root x minus 1. I think this is called g of x, root x minus 1. Okay. This is the reflection of f of x in the line to the line y equal to f. So this is x-axis is y-axis, and this y equal to x plus 1 whole square, and graph will come, this is x is equal to y plus 1 whole square, and line is origin y equal to x. So I think inverse will comes, either it is g of x or g of y. G of x is root x means g of y is root y means both will cancel. Even inverse in terms of x, in terms of y also comes. Okay, you are asking g of x, the root x minus 1, but x is positive. Okay, x is greater than 0. Okay. Right. Second question, question number 2. Let the function f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus sin x for all x belongs to R. Then f is 1 1 onto, neither 1 1 onto 1 1 but not onto, not onto 1 1 but onto. See the which option it comes, right? F of x is equal to 2x plus sin x. Better you go to differentiate method, because this trigonometry functions, better go to differentiation method only. 2 plus cos x. We know that cos x lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Adding 2 means 1, 2 plus cos x is 3. Now f dash of x lies between 1 to 3. Okay, it implies f dash of x is positive. So what is f? F is strictly increasing. But f is strictly increasing. Therefore, f is 1 1. F dash of x positive or negative, the function is 1 1 only. Okay. So f dash of x lies between 1 to 3. It is always positive. Now what is next? Onto. See whether it is onto or not. Onto means x tends to infinity, f of x as f of x tends to infinity, x tends to minus infinity as f of x tends to minus infinity. I think it is range equal to minus infinity comma plus infinity, even this in, but R. Here codomain equal to range, codomain equal to range. Therefore, f is onto. X tends to infinity, f of x tends to infinity. Minus infinity minus comes, range is minus, the range is R. So, this is real number only. One codomain also real number. So, f is onto. Hence, f is both 1 1 and onto. 1 1 and onto. So, option first is the correct, 1 1 and onto. Okay. Right. Question number 3. F of x is equal to sin x plus cos x and g of x is equal to x square minus 1. Then g of x is invertible in the domain. G of x, what is g of x? G into f of x is invertible. G into f of x is invertible means it is of both 1 1 and onto. Okay. Now what is asking? Domain is asking domain of the interval. Okay. Right. G into f of x equal to g into f of x is sin x plus cos x. G into sin x plus. Now what is here? This is assuming x, sin x plus cos x whole square minus 1. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So 1 1 cancel. You will get sin 2x. G into f of x. G into f of x is sin 2x. So here 2x lies between minus 92 plus 90. G into f of x is invertible means it is both 1 1 and onto. So onto means what is the domain? What is the domain of 2x? Minus 92 plus 90. So multiplying means it is dividing to pi by 4 plus pi by 4. So what is the domain? He is asking domain only. This is invertible. So domain is minus pi by 4 plus pi by 4. So option second is the correct answer. Okay. So f of x and g of x is given. F into g of x is sin 2x. This is invertible. Invertible means it is 1 1 and onto. So what is the domain of 2x? Domain of 2x is minus 92 plus 90. So minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. Okay. Question number 4. Answer. F of x is 0, x belongs to Q. X does not belongs to Q dash. What is Q and Q dash? Rational and irrational. Okay. And g of x equal to 0, x belongs to q dash. X belongs to q, rational number. Then what is the question? F minus g of x. Okay, f minus g of x equal to. Now is asking, the question is f minus g of x. F minus g of x, 1 1 and onto, neither 1 1 or onto 1 1 but not onto but not 1 1. F minus g is nothing but f of x minus g of x. F of x minus g of x. Better, this is nothing but, this is the rational, this is irrational. Here rational 0, here rational x. 0 minus x is x. So x belongs to q. Okay, x belongs to q. And irrational x minus 0, x belongs to q dash. So rational and irrational is subset of what? R only. So these are also called real numbers. So these two are linear functions. Minus x and plus x are linear functions. The mapping f from R to R, I told in the theory class, these two are linear functions, both rational and irrational, both are linear functions, mapping R to R. So this always 1 1 and onto. Therefore f minus g of x is always 1 1 and onto. 1 1 and onto. Why you are taking that always 1 1? Because these two are linear, mapping f from R to R. This is always bijective function, nothing but 1 1 and onto. The first option is correct. Option 1 is the correct. Okay. Now problem number 5. Okay. A function f from the set of natural numbers f of n is equal to n minus 1 by 2. Okay, where n is odd, minus n by 2 where n is even. So options are there, neither 1 1 onto, both 1 1 and onto but not 1 1, 1 1 and not onto. So options are given. Okay. So f of n is n minus 1 by 2 where n is odd, minus n by 2 where n is even. Now if x and y both are odd, both are means x minus 1 by 2 equal to y minus 1 by 2. It implies, so 2 cancel, x equal to y. And if x and y both are even, so minus x by 2 equal to minus y by 2. It implies x equal to y. Therefore f is 1 1. F is 1 1. See whether it is onto or not. Now it is 1 1 because x and y both are odd, x is y. If x and y both are even, x is y. The function f is onto. So whether it is onto or not. See, I am taking, let f of n is equal to y, I am taking y equal to n minus 1 by 2. It implies n minus 1 equal to 2y, n equal to 2y plus 1, and y equal to minus n by 2, n equal to minus 2y. Okay, so this is 2y plus 1, this is minus y. Here, what is the mapping? The mapping is f from natural number to integers, set of natural numbers to integers. Okay, here negative integer, if y is negative integer, then what you will get? Even number. If y is negative number, y negative, n is even. Y is positive, then n is odd. So both you will get. Here y negative integer, here y is positive integer. So both are associated with what? Natural number. Okay. Here even natural number, this is odd natural number. Repeating once again. So f from n to I, you take negative integer, what else comes? Even number, even natural numbers. Here 2y plus 1, you are substituting y is positive integer, here negative integer is comes even, positive integers comes odd. Both are associated with what? N. So all the elements of codomain have free images. The function, therefore, f is onto. And this problem is both 1, 1 and onto. Okay, here. So very simple question. So very simple. First, there are two cases, x and y both are odd and x equal to y. If x and y both are even, and here also x is y, in both cases x is y, the function f is onto. So very important, I am taking f of n is y is n. So in both cases you should write n equal to 2y plus 1 minus y, negative integer even number, positive integer odd natural numbers. Negative integer even natural number, positive integer odd natural numbers. Both are associated natural numbers. Okay, the function f is onto. Now this problem both 1, 1 and onto. Option 4 is the correct. Option 4 is the correct. Okay, both 1, 1 and onto. Next, problem number 6. Sixth question answer. F from R to S defined by f of x is equal to sin x minus root 3 cos x plus 1 is onto in the interval of S, is onto interval of S, is asking codomain range. Okay, now he is already telling onto only. When you say the onto, codomain equal to range. When you got codomain, then it is equal to range only, because he is telling this function always, he is telling this is the onto function. Onto function means range equal to codomain, but our aim is to solving codomain. Okay, now what is f of x equal to? Now it is sin x minus root 3 cos x. Now in this step is very important, multiply and dividing 2 sin x into 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 cos x plus 1, multiply and dividing 2. Usually cos x plus sin x, cos x minus sin x, this type question is there. Better you go to multiplying and dividing. Now 2 sin of x, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, minus, then what is 1 by 2 cos? It is pi by 3. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin A cos 60 degree 1 by 2, sin A, sin of A minus cos x cos 60 degree root plus 1. So you want codomain, okay? Then what is sin of x minus pi by 3 is lies between minus 1 to plus 1. What is the sin of x minus pi by 3 lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Then multiplying 2 minus 2 sin of x minus pi by 3. Multiplying 2. We know that sin of x minus pi by 3 between minus 1 to plus 1. Then 2 you want, no? Multiplying 2. Then what you want? Plus 1. Adding. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. 2 sin of x minus pi by 3. So this is 2 plus 1, 3. Now what is 2 into, no, this is adding 1 only. This is plus 1, this is 3. So what is 2 sin of x minus pi by 3? I think this is f of x. Minus 1 f of x and 3. So what is codomain? Now f of x lies between minus 1. Range equal to, range of f equal to minus 1 to 3. Given f of x is on 2. Okay, codomain equal to range. Codomain equal to range. So what is codomain? Codomain means S equal to minus 1 comma 3. So what is the interval of S is? Here interval is codomain only, but here I am solving range only. So these are the steps are range only. Okay, range is minus 1 comma 3, minus 1 comma 3. So given this function is on to codomain equal to range. Codomain equal to range means, so codomain is minus 1 comma 3. Okay, this is option, first option is correct. Okay. But question number 7, seventh question answer. F from minus 1 comma 1 tends to B. I think minus 1 comma 1 is domain, B is called codomain. What is the given? Given f of x is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. Now yeah, then f is both 1 and onto. When the function f is both 1 and onto, I think it is bijective function. Okay. So what is this B? Codomain. Codomain means you have to, what you solve in this here? Range you have to solve. When you got range no, then definitely range equal to codomain. Okay. Now what is the given? F of x is tan inverse of 2x. F of x is equal to twice into tan inverse of x. This formula is there. So this is even better. You go to inverse trigonometric function chapter. Just you have to remember tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. But what is x between minus 1 to plus 1? Even 1 is not possible, even minus 1. So this is between minus 1 to plus 1. X belongs to minus 1. X belongs to minus 1 plus 1. So what is tan inverse of x lies between minus pi by 4 plus pi by 4. X belongs to minus 1. What is the tan inverse of x? Minus pi by 4 multiplying 2 into tan inverse of x and minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. I think what is f of x belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So what is the range? Range equal to range of f equal to minus pi by 2 to plus pi. Okay, given f is bisect. F is bisect. F is meant f is on. F is on to here codomain equal to range. Okay, now this is called range only. Now codomain is equal to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So what is the interval? The interval b equal to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So option 4 is the correct. Even option 3 is open, closed interval is there. Now it is open interval. These are all open interval. Okay. So tan inverse of 2x. This is the new step. Okay. Just to remember, this chapter comes inverse trigonometry functions. So 2 tan inverse of x lies between minus 1 to plus 1. When x belongs to minus 1, tan pi by 4 is minus tan minus pi by 1. Tan pi is 1. 2 tan inverse of x minus pi by 2 plus pi 2 f of x. So again the students are confusing. Totally f of x value is called range. X is called domain. Domain डाले तो range आता है. Totally value of f of x. Value of f of x this much. The value of f of x is called range. Okay. I don't confuse domain and codomain, the range. Domain substitution करे तो range will come. Okay. So f of x is called range. Range of this. Given f is bisect to f is onto. F is onto means here codomain equal to range. Then codomain here, what is the codomain? B is asking interval of b minus 92 plus. It is open interval. Okay. Open interval. Next. Question number 8. Eighth question. Let f from n to r. F from n to r. F from n to I. F of x equal to 4x plus 3. Okay. Where y equal to y belongs to n. G equal to 4x plus 3. Or some k belongs to n. Is invertible and its inverse. Don't confuse. Already it is codomain equal to range is given. F from n to I. F of x is 4x plus. Then y is given g of x. So I think codomain equal to range. Now very simple. The question is, let f of x is equal to, better take y. Okay. You are asking inverse. Okay. F of x is 4x plus 3 equal to y. What is x here? Y minus 3 by 4. F inverse of f of x is y. What is f inverse of y equal to x is f inverse y minus 3 by 4, or f inverse of x, so x minus 3 by 4. So this is the inverse. The inverse of f is invertible, x minus 3 by 4, or even it is called g of y. Okay. So g of y is y minus 3 by 4. Anyhow, that is asking inverse function. Okay. Inverse means g of y. Ninth question. F1 of x is 1 by x. F2 of x equal to 1 minus x. f3 of x equal to 1 by 1 minus x. Then what is the question? f2 composition, j composition, f1 of x. This question is asked. Even this is given equal to f3 of x, f3 of x. Then what is the question? Then j of x is the question mark. Okay? J of x is f2 composition, j composition f1 of x, okay, equal to f3 of x. We know the composition function. f2 composition bracket j composition f1 of x equal to f3 of x. You will take these two, okay? f2 composition j into f1 of x equal to f3 means 1 by 1 minus x. f2 composition, what is j of f of x? j of f of x, f1 of x is 1 by x equal to 1 by 1 minus x. Replace, when you take replacing, so you want j of x, no? Replace 1 by x by or x by, replace x by 1 by x, okay? f2 composition j of x, this is replacing x by 1 by x, so x divided by x minus 1, x divided by x minus 1. So again composition function f2 of j of x, x by x minus 1. Question, there are given three functions. For condition given f2 composition j composition f1 of x is f3 of x. He is asking what is j of x, okay? Nothing, very simple composition property I am using. So finally here is j of 1 by x means you want j of x replacing x by 1 by x, okay? I think this is x, 1 by x, x minus 1, x by x minus 1. Here what is f2? 1 minus j of x, x by x minus 1. Now 1 minus x by x minus 1 equal to j of x, okay? X minus 1 minus x by x minus 1 equal to j of x. What is x cancel? It implies j of x equal to minus 1 by x minus 1. Take LC common minus and plus 1 by 1 minus x. So j of x is equal to, I think this is 1 by 1 minus x is f3 of x, okay? f3 of x. So option, first option is correct. Follow on, okay? Only nothing there, twice you have to write composition functions, okay? So first you should take j composition f1 of x, j composition f of x, j into f of j into f1 of x. f1 of x is 1 by x, so j into 1 by x, replacing x by 1 because you want j of x, no? Replacing So ft composition f is f2 of j of x. So ft is given 1 minus x, is 1 minus j of x. It's nothing, this minus 1. Finally, 1 by 1 minus x is called ft. Option 1 is the correct. Okay. Question number 10. If g of x is inverse of the function f of g of x is the inverse of f of x. G of x is inverse of f of x is nothing but simply you write g equal to f inverse of, or g of x is equal to f inverse of x. G of x is inverse of the function f of x. So g is f inverse or g of x is f. When g of x is f inverse means you will get identity function f into g of x is equal to x. This is called identity function. G equal to f inverse. So what is the f into g of x is x. When g of x is f inverse, you will get identity function f into g of x is x. Then what is the question is asking? G dash of x, differentiation, simple basic definition problem, that differentiation. So what is the differentiation? Differentiate with respect to x. Okay, differentiate f dash of g of x, composite function. You take differentiation of g of x is f derivative f dash of g of x. So derivative of g of x is g dash of x equal to 1. So is asking g dash of x. The question is asking g dash of x equal to 1 by f dash of g of x. Okay. So what is the given f dash of x? Given f dash of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x to the power 5 is given. So what is f dash of, better you take this is equation 1. You don't know what is f dash of g of x. F dash of x is 1 by 1 plus, what is the f dash of g of x? So replacing x by g of x equal to 1 by 1 plus g of x. Just replacing x by g of x. Okay. Now equation 1 becomes equation 1 g dash of x equal to 1 by 1 divided by 1 plus g of x wholes. So 1 divided by 1 means what is answer? Is equal to 1 plus g of x whole raised to 5. So option 3rd is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct option. So I'll repeat it once again. So it's not difficult problems. Level is easy only. G of x is inverse of x. G of x is inverse of x. G equal to g of x is f inverse of x. When g of x is f inverse, f into g of x, f into g of x, f into g of x. Even g into f of x is also correct. We will get final answer same only. So f into g of x is x, because g is the inverse of f means f inverse. That comes f into g of x is x. Differentiate with respect to x. F dash of g of x is g of x equal to 1. So g dash of x is equal to 1 by f dash of g of x. So f dash of x is given 1 by 1 plus x to the power 5. So f dash of g of x, just replacing x by g of x, 1 plus g of x whole raised to 5. So substituting in 1. So 1 divided by 1 means it is 1 plus g of x whole raised to 5. This is very important question. Okay. Right. Question number 11. 11th question answer. If f of x is the question, okay, x divided by x minus 1, then what is the question? F composition dash dash of x, okay, how many times? 19 times. The question mark is asking 19 times of composition of x. Here only one f of x. How many times, sir? 19 f of x is there. It now 19 is odd number. Okay. So how to solving? Better you take even f of x twice. दो f of x लिखना, f into f of x. Odd क्या आता? Odd क्या आता ना? इसका आंसर सेम रहता. And f composition f of x twice only I am taking. F into f of x. F into f of x is x divided by x minus 1. So substitute again, just to replace, this is x only, f of x replacing x by x minus 1 whole divided by x by x minus 1 minus 1. Assuming this is x, wherever x is there, x by x minus 1. So what is f composition? F composition f of x equal to, both the LCM cancel, x divided by x minus x plus 1. F composition f of x is x only. See, this is even 1, 2, even functions. There you are using twice, no, it is even. Once again, f composition f of x. Okay, f composition of f of x. So what is f composition? I think it is f composition f of x is x. Now I am using 3 times odd number. Okay, 1, 2, 3. F composition f into f of x. Better take direct only. F composition. What is f into f of x? X only. F composition, 1 meter, okay. This is even function, means you will get answer 19 times. 2 times means it is x, okay. F composition f of x, okay, f into f of x, f of, what is f of x? X by x minus 1, okay. F of, what is f of x by x minus 1? I think it is x only. X means x by x minus 1. Now we will get odd only. So therefore f composition dash dash 19 times is equal to x by x minus 1. I will repeat once again. So f of x is x by x minus 1 only. First I am taking even function of x, you will get answer x. Odd means I am taking, so x by x minus 1 comes. But this is 19 times, even times x will come, odd x by x minus 1, okay. What is the even functions? Even functions x answer, odd functions x by x minus 1. It is given function only. Next, the inverse of the function, so 12th question, the inverse of the function y equal to 10 to the power x minus 10 to the power x by 10 to the power x plus 10 to the power x plus 1. Now he is asking inverse of the function, means either it is f inverse of x or f inverse of y. Okay, anyone, it is the answer in the y value. He is asking y equal. Now it's very simple. When you take y minus 1 equal to 10 to the power x minus 10 to the power x by 10 to the power x plus 10 to the power x. So 10 to the power, this also minus x only. Y minus 1 equal to 10 to the power x, this also minus only, this minus. Okay, when you take 10 to the power minus x common, 10 to the power minus x common, 10 to the power 2x minus 1, 10 to the power minus x common, 10 to the power 2x minus 1. These two cancel. So y minus 1 equal to 10 to the power 2x minus 1 by 10 to the power 2x. This is, maybe it is plus, okay, plus 1. So this is divided by 1 using componendo dividendo, componendo and dividend, componendo and dividendo. Y, suppose a by b, a plus b by a minus b. Suppose for example, using component dividendo, a by b equal to a plus b by a minus. This number you can add numerator, okay, subtract denominator, a plus b and a minus b, a plus b, and this is component dividendo. Now here assuming this is a, this is b, okay. What is the component dividendo? A plus b, this is a, this is b, a plus b, y minus 1 plus 1, a minus b, y minus 1 minus 1 equal to 10 to the power 2x minus 1 a, this also a by b, a plus b, plus 10 to the power 2x plus 1 by 10 to the power 2x a plus b, a minus b, 10 to the power minus 1 plus 10 to the power 2x plus 1. So y divided by y minus 2 equal to twice into 10 to the power 2x, okay. Here 1 cancel, twice into 10 to the power. So what is you are taking? The common 10 to the power 2x, y minus 2. A plus b, 10 to the power 2x minus 1, 10 to the power 2x plus 1, okay. A minus b, 10 to the power 2x minus 10 to the, this is comes minus only, okay, minus. This is minus or minus 1 minus, I think these two cancel, then what is the minus 2 will comes, okay. So y minus y by y minus 2 equal to minus 10 to the power 2x, and minus means y by 2 minus y equal to 10 to the power 2x. Now applying log only. Applying log on both sides. Applying log on both sides. Applying log on both sides to the base 10. Log of y by 2 minus y equal to what? 2x. What is x? 1 by 2 log of y by 2 minus y to the base 10. Now he is asking inverse of the function. Inverse of the function is asking. So this is x means it is called f inverse of y, half into log of y by 2 minus y to the base 10. So option second is correct. 1 by 2 log x by even f inverse of x 1 by 2 log of x by 2 minus x to the base 10. Okay, 1 by 2 log of x by 2 minus x. Right. Problem number 13. If R is a relation less than from set A 1, 2, 3, 4, set B 1, 3, 5. Okay. Now is asking lesser than. First you can write relation, then inverse relation. A comma B, B comma is the inverse relation. So what is the relation? R is equal to A comma B such that A less than B. Okay, A less than B. This is A less than B. Now what is the relation? The relation R from A to B is R equal to, be carefully, A less than B. 1 is not comes, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5. Okay, 1 is not comes, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5. Next 2 comma 1 is not comes, 2 comma 3 is okay, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5. 2 is over. 3 comma 1 no, 3 comma 3 no, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 5. Next 4 comma 1, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 5. This is lesser than. I'll repeat once again. A less than B. Okay, set A is A, set B is, the A is B, B is set B. The A first element, B is second element. In relation, first element is set A, second element is set B. 1 not comes, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5. 2 comma 1 is not comes, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5. 3 1 is not comes, 3 3 also not, 3 comma 5. Next 4 comma 5. This is. Now what is inverse relation? R inverse equal to interchanging 3 comma 1, 3 comma 1, 5 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3. Next write one more, what is 4 comma 5. So these are inverse relation 3 1, 5 1, 3 2, 5 2, so 5 3. Now this is interchanging, no, then 5 comma 4. Okay, this is relation, this is R inverse, interchanging A. Okay, this A comma B, B comma A. Now what is the question is asking? R composition, R inverse. So this is R, this is R. What is the question? R composition R inverse. Okay. So this is interesting problem. R inverse first you see, first R inverse देखना, बाद में R. R inverse means 3 image 1, 1 image 3. I think 3 comma 3. Be carefully. 3 image 1, 1 image 3. First R inverse, then R. 3 image 1, 1 image 3. 3 image 1, 1 image 5. What is 3 comma 5? 3 image 1, 1 is not there. Okay. Now start 5 image 1, 1 image 5. What is the answer? 5 comma 3. 5 comma 3. 5 image 1, 1 image 5. I think 5 5. 5 5. 5 image 1, there is no. Okay. 3 image 2. 3 image 2. 2 image 3. I think 3 3. Repeated. 3 image 2. 2 image 5. 3 comma 5. Repeated. 5 image 2. 2 image 5. 5 5. Repeated. Okay. 5 image 2. 2 image 3. I think 5 comma 3. This also repeated. 5 comma 3. 5 is repeated. 5 3. Okay. 5 is image 4. I think it is 4 is comes. Okay. 3 3, 3 5, 5 3, 5 5. So this is the answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. This is R inverse. Repeating once again. 3 image 1, 1 image 3. I think 3 3 3. 3 image 1, 1 image 5, 3 comma 5. 5 image 1, 1 image 3, 5 comma 3. 5 image 1, 1 image 5, 5 5. So next what will there? All are repeated only. Okay. So your answer 3 3, 3 5, 5 3 and 5 5. This is the R composition R inverse. Next, 14th problem. 14th problem, that f from R to R and g from R to R both are real to real. Be two functions given by f of x is 2x minus 3 and g of x is x cube plus 5. So what is the question? F composition G is a question mark. Okay, he is asking F inverse. You know the one property F composition G inverse reverse ला, G inverse composition F. अब इधर क्या दो इनवर्स सॉल्व करें तो हो गया. You can write F inverse and G inverse. We have to solve F inverse and G inverse. Let f of x is y. Now I am solving G inverse, F inverse and G inverse. 2x minus 3 equal to y. 2x equal to 3 plus y. X value 3 plus y by 2. What is x now? F inverse of y equal to 3 plus y by 2. Okay. What is F inverse? Or F inverse of x equal to 3 plus x by 2. So this is called F inverse. And let g of x is equal to, we to take y1, no problem, x cube plus 5 equal to y. What is x? Y minus 5 whole raised to 1 by 3. X is nothing but G inverse of y. Y minus 5 whole raised to 1 by 3. Or G inverse of x is equal to x minus 5 whole raised to 1 by 3. So this is G inverse. Now F composition G whole inverse. We know this property, reversal law. G inverse composition F inverse of X. F composition G whole inverse, G inverse composition F inverse property. Now G inverse of F inverse of X. G inverse of, what is F inverse of X? F inverse is 3 plus X by 2. F inverse of X is 3x plus 2. What is G? Replacing X by 3 plus X by 2. Replacing X by 3 plus minus 5 whole raised to 1 by 3. So, what is the LCM? 2, 3 plus X minus 10. 3 plus X minus 10 means, what is the answer? This is equal to 3 plus X minus 10 by 2 whole raised to 1 by 3. Now 7 minus X by 2 whole raised to 1 by 3. So option this is not 7 minus x minus 7 by 2 whole raised to 1 by 3. Option 4 is correct. Okay. Option 4 is very simple. F inverse, F composition G inverse of X is G inverse composition F inverse of X. Next one more. Question number 15. 15th question. Answer. Problem 15. R x comma y x square plus y square equal to 1. So what is x and y? X comma y belongs to R. Be a relation in R. Then R is reflexive, symmetric, transitive and antisymmetric. So first is reflexive, whether it is possible or not. Reflexive. Suppose I am taking 4 belongs to, what is the set? Set is 4 belongs to R. I think 16 plus 16, 32, not equal to 1. Therefore, 4 comma 4 does not belongs to R. R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. See whether symmetric, whether it is symmetric or not. Symmetric means yes, x square plus y square equal to 1, x comma y, okay, y square plus x square equal to 1. It implies y comma x. This is belongs to R, this is belongs to R. Therefore, R is symmetric. R is symmetric, not reflexive. Okay, R is symmetric. Whether it is transitive or not. Transitive, better you give the example only. Example. What is the example? Better you take 0 comma 1 belongs to R. It implies 0 comma 1 belongs to R because x square plus y square and 1 comma 0 belongs to R, because this also LHS equal to RHS. Substituting 0 comma 1 in x square plus y is equal, this also equal, but 0 comma 0 does not belongs to R, because 0 square plus 0 square equal to 0, but this is not equal to 1. Therefore, R is not transitive. R is not transitive. Hence, what is the final answer? Hence, R is reflexive. Sorry, R is transitive only. R is transitive. R is symmetric. R is symmetric only. This is the. So finally, it is not reflexive. It is not So because 0 1, these two belongs to R, but 0 comma 0 does not belongs to R. So R is not transitive.